Whom do you think of when you hear the word leader? Do names like Mahatma Gandhi, Mother Teresa, Steve Jobs, Jack Ma, Elon Musk pop up in your mind? Or you may think of someone like a corporate leader, a CEO, a VP, a director of a company. When most of us think of leader or leadership, we think of someone who has big vision. We think of someone who helps and motivates people to achieve higher level of productivity and performance. We think of someone who manages huge teams. We think of someone who helps the organization to set big goals and achieve them. While all this is true, today I want to point out two patterns that emerge from this thought process. 1. We mostly seem to associate the word leadership with only our work life. And 2. Leadership is mostly seen as something distant, something far off, or maybe even difficult to reach. We see leadership as something outside of us. And somewhere, in a very subtle, comfortable manner, we tend to push away the responsibility from us. We see leadership as prerogative of just some senior officials in an organization or equated with just selected few. Now, I want to talk about leadership from a different context today. I want to talk about a more holistic perspective of leadership. So for me, leadership starts from within. Anybody who takes complete responsibility and ownership of his life is a leader for me. He who takes accountability of his actions, results, and the situations that arise in his life is a leader for me. Anybody who plans his life proactively and leads in the direction he wants is a leader for me. The person who doesn't blame others for the situations that arise in his life is a leader for me. That is living life with true leadership. Leadership is a mindset which is not just limited to work. It is as much applicable to all personal areas of your life as it is to your professional life. Now, the most important and the most exciting part. I have started this movement where I want each one of us to be the leader of our life, where I want each one of you to be responsible and completely accountable for your life, irrespective of your age, your gender, your caste, your work, your profile, your designation, the company you work with, irrespective of any challenges or any situation that you might be facing in your life. Because this is how transformation begins to happen. This is how challenges are challenged. This is the space of disruption. This is the space of empowerment, of growth, of opportunity, of evolution. This is how you can be, do, have whatever you want in life. This is how you start to be like a leader. And I am terming this as Life Leadership Movement. And I want to take this message to the world. I want you to be part of this revolutionary life leadership movement by simply applying this in your life. Do let me know your views on this and let me know what does being a leader mean for you. Also, next time you hear the word leader, first think of the leader in you.